Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I checked my Amazon store this morning, and I noticed some very large, for my store, purchases. And I just want to show you what this is all about. Let me go. This is one of my videos, and if you go down here and you do show more, you will see the link to my Amazon store. And the way it works is anybody can have an Amazon store. And it's really just a favorites list or wish list on Amazon specifically to having a store. And if somebody clicks on this link and they go to the store, which I'm going to show you what it looks like right now. Here's what it looks like. This is Amazon. And when I go there, of course, since it's my store, then it gives me this option here to look at it how one of my subscribers or viewer would see it without this little box here. So here is the listing of my product recommendations. 99% of the stuff I have reviewed already on my shows. And so what I do is I go onto Amazon on my account, I find an item that I purchase or that has been sent to me by one of the sellers. I do a review, and then if I like it, I put it in my Amazon store under this special wish list. And then if you take the link, and let me go back, if you take this link to go to my store, which is right here, and you either purchase one of the items that I have listed, and I have mostly stuff, like I said, that I reviewed on my show, I get a small commission in the form of a credit. I don't get money. I get a credit on Amazon. And then I use the credits to buy more stuff to review. That's how it works. So the reason I'm showing you this morning is this past week I had some larger than normal purchases of stuff other than what was in my Amazon store. So that tells me that it's still working, that you can go to my store, don't buy anything in my store, but while you're there, purchase something else. And as I always say, it could be birdseed, and I get a small commission, very small commission. So that happened this week, and so I got some reasonable amount of money, more than $10 in commissions this month. And I can use that to purchase new things to review on my shop. Just like I just did on this guy right here. I purchased this last week with some of my commissions that I got from Amazon. So that's how it works. The one, I don't want to say bad thing, it's a good thing for the people that do this, is I don't know who purchased what. I only know what you purchased. So I can't thank you individually, like this person, like I say, purchased a couple of expensive things. I can't thank him personally. So from time to time, like now, I try to give an overall thank you to people who have used my Amazon store to support my YouTube channel. If you would like me to know that you purchased something, you can send me an email to trrs73@gmail.com and just mention, hey, by the way, I've supported your show by purchasing these items. And then at least I'll know, and then I can thank you personally. So that's kind of how it works. So if you want to support my show, and again, this is Amazon. It's not a personal store that I have or anything. This is just Amazon. And the only difference is I've set up this wish list specific to people who come from my my YouTube channel. And these are things that I reviewed, and you can go back and see my reviews. Now, some of them aren't. Like I don't have an Echo Plus. I have this one right here, the Echo Dot. So I didn't review this one or this one, but I do have an Echo Dot. I did review it, and I really like it. And like here is the Grundig Satellite 750, which I reviewed, and I've done several shows on it. The problem is, I got mine, actually one of my subscribers purchased it for me, and it was at that time about $250. Now it's almost $400. So I don't know. This is a good buy right here, this little portable system. Here's a piece of test equipment I bought and reviewed. Here's this antenna system for the RTL SDR. Here's the full system right here that I have purchased and reviewed. Actually, the gentleman that makes these sent me this system, and I reviewed it, and I use it a lot. It's like just over $25 for the whole system, and this is like $20 just for the antennas. And it goes on and on and on. So anyway, the point is, I want to thank you who have been using my Amazon store to support my shows. Have a great day. Bye-bye. Now, how do I stop this?